When most business professionals are first asked to create a sales quote for a customer, naturally, they use the tools that they're already familiar with, such as Excel or Microsoft Word. At first glance, it seems to be a quick way to create a quote. Regardless, you start with a completely blank page, or you'd have to create a template to use. The QuoteWerks process is much simpler. Using a new blank sheet, you would click on a button to immediately pull all the customer information into the quote. Working with Excel or Microsoft Word, the process is much more complicated. Either way, you would have to manually type in the customer's name, address, and phone. Next, you would have to look up the product name, part number, cost, and price from each vendor's price book and then manually type in all that information. With QuoteWerks, after all of the customer information has appeared with a click of a button, the next step is easy. Scroll through a list and select the items you want to include on the quote. All of the descriptions, part numbers, costs, price, and details are automatically copied into the quote. If you're using Word, you'd have to manually add up all the items for a subtotal. With Excel, you'd have to create a formula, or you'd have to verify that the formula is adding up all the line items that you want it to. There's no need to manually come up with a subtotal or create your own formulas with QuoteWerks. A single click will also locate the vendors with the lowest costs on the selected items. Required items are automatically added to the quote. All the items' costs and prices will automatically be summed and totaled. The price is determined based on the customer, and you can see what the customer has paid for an item in the past. If your cost is lower, you can choose to keep the profit or pass it on to the customer as a discount. You can choose from bundles or products or use the configurator. It's also possible to refresh older quotes with the latest or best prices. In all, 9 different pricing methods are supported, including line item types like subtotals, hide prices, and more. Required items are automatically added to the quote. This is not the case with Word or Excel. In this process, you would have to format the output, paying attention if the quote spills onto 2 or more pages. You'd have to make sure your costs were not being displayed to the customer, and save the quote so that it can be emailed. With QuoteWerks, the output formatting is already pre-designed. The company name, phone number, and other information is automatically completed. On the other hand, Word and Excel would entail much more work. Finally, to send the quote to your customer, you'd have to start your email software and manually type in the customer's email address, find your quote document and the cover page document, and attach them. If your quote needs any product specification sheets, you'd have to find those and attach them as well. With QuoteWerks, the quote is sent as follows. Verify by clicking on which product specification sheets you'd like to send with the quote, and click on the email button to send the quote since the email address has been automatically set. But if you were using Word or Excel, completing the task would be much more involved. And you'd have to make a note somewhere to remember to follow up with the customer to make sure they receive the quote and to see if they have any questions. With QuoteWerks, you'll be reminded to follow up without having to take any additional steps. Using the automatic link to the contact management software, a follow-up reminder will be created ensuring that you will remember to follow up with the customer. And if you need to resend the quote, you can just open it again and click on the email button. But if you're using Word or Excel, your email would still not have been sent. Finally, you're ready to send the email. But if you need to resend it, you have to repeat all the previous steps to compose the email and locate all the attachments. To schedule a demo or learn more, reach out to our team at 407-248-1481.